Today, I'll show you how to present a PDF in Adobe Acrobat, a handy tool for anyone looking to showcase their documents professionally. Whether you're preparing for a meeting or sharing a presentation, Adobe Acrobat makes it easy to display your PDF in full screen, allowing your audience to focus on the content without any distractions. To begin, open your PDF file in Adobe Acrobat. Once your document is open, you'll want to switch to full screen mode. This is a great way to display your PDF as it uses the entire screen and hides all toolbars and menus, providing a clean and focused view. You can access full screen mode by going to the menu or view options at the top of your screen and selecting full screen mode. Alternatively, if you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can quickly enter full screen mode by pressing Ctrl plus L on Windows or CMD plus L if you're using a Mac. Now that you're in full screen mode, navigating through your PDF is straightforward. To move to the next page, you have several options. Simply click the left mouse button, press the right arrow key, or use the page down key on your keyboard. These options give you the flexibility to choose the navigation method that works best for you and your setup. If you need to go back to a previous page, that's easy too. You can right-click with your mouse, press the left arrow key, or use the page up key. These controls ensure you can move through your document smoothly. Whether you're revisiting a point for emphasis or navigating back to a section of interest, when you're ready to exit full screen mode and return to the normal view, simply press the ESC key on your keyboard. This will bring back the toolbars and menus, allowing you to continue working with your document or make additional edits if needed. Using full screen mode in Adobe Acrobat is especially useful when you're presenting to an audience, as it eliminates distractions and allows everyone to focus solely on the content of your PDF. It's a simple yet powerful feature that enhances the professionalism of your presentation. Remember, these keyboard shortcuts and navigation methods are designed to make your experience smoother and more efficient, so feel free to practice them to become more comfortable with this presentation style. With these tips, you'll be able to present your PDFs with confidence and clarity. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've learned how to present a PDF in Adobe Acrobat using full screen mode. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it enhances your ability to share documents effectively. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our tutorials for additional tips and tricks on using Adobe Acrobat and other software tools.